Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, a special episode for you. I got my starting to release some of my charts that I can do for you. This is my Fib Circle chart. It does excellent jobs forecasting where the price is going to go. And this will too be part of my classes that I'm going to teach. Yes, I can teach you. Yes, you. Look at yourself in the mirror right now. Yes, you, that person that you're staring at. I can teach you how to trade in my technical analysis classes, how to trade, how to become a technical trader, and how to set up your chart to become a technical trading chart. And this is one of our hundreds of tools that you have to use to set up on your chart. And these are called the Fib Circles. And they do a phenomenal job. And you can see in this last pump, right? Let's just start from when we were working our way up. Right here, you can see our orange Fib Circle. It held support on it. Then it pumped all the way up through another layer of the orange Fib Circle, all the way up to the 1.618 retracement on the Fib, and then crashed. Okay, and then came right back down to your orange Fib Circle. You see that? The same Fib Circle, right? And then you got all these other Fib Circles in here that that go into using the price predict, right? They all are invaluable. And you can see after it crashed off of the orange Fib Circle, it crashed down to the purple Fib Circle, that they're all slanted and moving in different directions based on prior price. And you got to use that and factor it in a basket, a weighted basket, to probability base your forecast. Then it held support and rolled that purple circle down all the way back to the orange Fib Circle again. And then it got pumped up and then came into this green Fib Circle and rode it all the way back down and crashed down to where all three of these Fib Circles met, right? Then it pumped up and you moved up in between, right? Just as you said, look how super simple and easy these Fib Circles are to follow, and how super simple and easy it is to trade with these Fib Circles. And then you can see when it came up on the pump, right? You could have used each of these orange Fib Circles as possible resistance points, right? Because that's where the pump started. And then you see it came all the way up to that beautiful Fib Circle, the orange Fib Circle on the far other end of it, and got rejected. And then once again, the orange and the purple Fib Circles seem to be interacting with each other. So once again, after you got rejected off the orange Fib Circle, you came back down to the purple Fib Circle and got supported. Then you came back up again and got rejected at the orange Fib Circle again, right? So I'm forecasting as you start to run up into this orange Fib Circle, you're going to crash and start trading along the purple Fib Circle again, and that's going to lead you down, right? Could trade like that, but I think you're going to crash back down to this purple Fib Circle. See how super simple and easy and powerful these Fib Circles are if you know how to line them up, place them, and set the chart up right to become a technical trader and have a technical chart that you're looking at and understand what you're looking at and how to utilize that information into making a probability-based weighted trade, right? These Fib Circles are incredible, right? And I'm going to be teaching you how to make these Fib Circles. So as you zoom on in a super simple, easy way to trade this market, you know right now your next upper resistance, and I'm going to teach you how to make all these Fib Circles, and you're going to become technical traders with my classes on an industry best, industry exclusive crypto classes and education, right? And how to become a technical trader. So you know that's your next upper resistance is this Fib Circle up here, right? You see that? This is super simple and easy. I'm going to start bringing all my things to the forefront, and then if you guys want to learn, I will teach you in my classes. $58,669 is your upper resistance at the orange Fib Circle, right? And then you know now on a crash, your lower support on a big crash is going to be down here, right? And this one's a descending circle, so it gets lower as the time goes on. But 28,069, and that would be your, after you crash and get rejected off this orange Fib Circle, this is your next major underneath support. There's a lot of little support, but this would be major. This would be where a flush comes down to, right? In an up and down fashion. This is where you would bottom out and have a chance after a crash where you could start maybe building back up a little bit, right? See how super simple and easy that is? And then if this progressed up and somehow, why I don't think you're getting above this Fib Circle, you'd have a free reign all the way up into the $90,000 range. And I don't think that's happening. I think you're going to trade back down, right? This is a brief glimpse on how powerful these fib circles are. Super simple and easy to help you trade this manipulated market. And yes, me, Vincenzo, old Vincenzo, will help you set up your chart in a technical chart so you can trade with the best and outsmart the market manipulators, the criminal gangster cartel, and use their own weapons, what they use to trade against, and use it to trade against them. You grow stronger as they grow weaker. We use their weapons against them. I will teach you VGCInews.com as these charts and videos start to become available, how you can set up a technical chart if you want to become a technical trader, because I'm going to have technical trading classes at VGCInews.com. Like, subscribe, and share. Keep up to the date on all the new latest developments on our fib circles, on my classes as they become available. This is just one of the many, one of the hundreds of things I will be teaching you at Vincenzo's classes, at Vincenzo's technical trading classes. Peace and love. Peace and love.